On Japan's expressways, accidents and unexpected incidents happen day after day. When trouble strikes, a specialized team is the first to respond. They race to the scene, operating in the midst of fast-moving traffic, where danger is always just a step away. Meet the Highway Patrol Team, the first responders of Japan's expressways. We follow the members of the team as they work to protect Japan's expressway. Patrolling the expressway is the Highway Patrol Unit of East Nippon Expressway Company, better known as NEXCO East. While on patrol, the team spots a vehicle stranded on the shoulder. It stopped dangerously close to the active driving lane, creating a massive collision risk. What exactly happened here? Inside the car was an elderly couple. Their engine failed, leaving them completely stranded. But the engine won't start. They tell us the car shakes violently every time traffic speeds past. The team decides to manually push the disabled vehicle away from the active lane. A tow truck arrived shortly afterward, and the vehicle was safely removed. But even with the safety measures in place, there is always a risk of being struck by another vehicle on the expressway. For the patrol officers, every operation outside their vehicle can be a life-threatening task. The next call involves a broken-down vehicle inside a tunnel. Poor visibility and the constant danger of rear-end crashes keep the patrol officers on edge. As vehicles speed past only a short distance away, the team lights emergency flares and restrict traffic. Their efforts pay off, and the stranded vehicle is moved out safely and smoothly. However, the calls just keep coming in. A motorcyclist wants help finding a smartphone they lost on the expressway. Leading the search is Patrol Officer Masuda, a veteran with nearly 14 years of experience on these roads. From behind the wheel, he must spot a smartphone barely 6 inches long somewhere across 2 lanes of traffic. A small object on the road catches Officer Masuda's eye. The patrol team stops their vehicle and moves in for a closer look. There it is, the smartphone. However, pieces of what look like the phone are scattered all over the road. Being dropped on the highway, it has been crushed to pieces. Still, they return it to the owner. During our ride along, we saw all kinds of lost items. Some were even intentionally thrown out as a trash. One of the most common incidents we witnessed during our coverage involved tire problems, such as punctures and blowouts. When they occur at highway speeds, they can quickly lead to serious accidents. Watch the vehicle in front. It suddenly begins to swerve from side to side before overturning. What exactly happened? This is the dashcam footage from the vehicle that overturned. As they are driving, suddenly, a loud explosion echoes. The driver loses control, slams into the guardrail, and the car flips completely onto its side. That loud bang was the sound of a tire bursting, a blowout. During our reporting, another accident occurred as a result of a tire blowout. Information comes rushing in from the scene. A tire blowout. The car spun out twice, hit the guardrail. Is the driver okay? Upon arriving at the scene, the team's first priority is securing the area and ensuring everyone's safety. Once that's done, they quickly make their way to the crashed vehicle. One of the vehicle's tires was completely burst, leaving the wheel rim exposed. This is what's known as a tire blowout. Although the vehicle's side was badly damaged, the people inside appear to have escaped without major injuries. The driver noted that they felt something unusual right before the blowout.
ハンドルがなんか取られる感触があって、その途端にですね、パーンっつって車に衝撃がドンってですね、回ったんですよ。一回ですね。
According to the driver, the tire blew out while the vehicle was traveling in the right lane. The sudden loss of control sent the car crashing into the guardrail on the shoulder. The vehicle then veered back into the traffic lane and spun twice before striking the guardrail again, and finally coming to a stop. To reduce the risk of tire blowout accidents, authorities are urging drivers to inspect their tires before every trip, including tire pressure, signs of cracks or damage, and tread wear. Working behind the scenes to keep our roads safe and our lives moving, the patrol team continues its mission today.